Hi, today I'd like to share with you one community problem that I've identified, which is cybersecurity issues and cyber attacks. And so I came up with this idea by combining four of the missions that I've learned from AOT to build this app. And this app can be used in any other app, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And so, how does this app work? First of all, this app will detect for any unusual and suspicious activity happening around it, and then sends signal to the big data, and the big data will collect all forms of necessary information and data, and then sends them to the AI. The AI will then process and analyze this data and produce an appropriate response using cryptology in form of encryption or tokenization. With this, we can all secure our passwords and also prevent fraud from happening. And last of all, I want to thank all organizers for organizing the Girls for Tech program. It has really helped me a lot. Thank you.